And but most of these modern cans, if it's not a 22 long rifle can, there's no reason really to be
it's like,
and every technology is different. We love this new PTR Spiritus, but I'll be honest, I don't like to clean guns. I don't either. I just like to shoot stuff.
I'm with you.
So it's, if you saw like those little, I don't know if you can see those little distal orifices. And like here, it looks like a sponge.
They're
so
vented.
That's all going to require a lot more cleaning. So I tell people like it's a great silencer, but you've got to keep on top of your cleaning regimen.
Right. Yeah, especially a lot of these new like 3D printed cans where you've got like smaller channels in the can, like they'll gum up. So you've got to clean them.